Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about a common problem that many Windows Server users might face when trying to access disk partitions as administrators. So, the problem we're dealing with is that even though you're a member of the local administrators group, you're unable to see the free and use size of a disk partition in Explorer, and you're getting an access is denied error when trying to access the disk. Now, let's get into the solution for this issue. It seems like this could be related to User Account Control, UAC. By default, administrators log in with a reduced security token, which might not have the full administrator's membership. One way to work around this is by using a file manager like Total Commander, which supports running as an elevated administrator. Another option is to create a custom group, add yourself to it, and grant that group access to the disk partition. This custom group won't be filtered by UAC, allowing you to access the disk. Lastly, you can also consider turning off UAC, although this may come with its own risks. In summary, if you're facing issues accessing disk partitions as an administrator on Windows Server, it could be due to how UAC handles permissions. By using alternative file managers, creating custom groups, or disabling UAC, you can work around this limitation and gain access to the disk. I hope this information was helpful to you. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.